Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple and updated way to share a PDF file from Dropbox to another app on your mobile device. Whether you need to send a document to a colleague, share a report with a friend, or just move a file to a different app, this guide will make the process quick and easy. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files option. This will bring up all the files and folders you have stored in Dropbox, including your PDFs. Next, browse through the list until you find the specific PDF file you want to share. When you see it, tap the three dots icon right next to the file's name. This will open a menu with several choices. From this menu, select Share. This is where you start the process of sending your file out of Dropbox. After you tap Share, you'll notice another three dots icon usually labeled More Options, so tap that next. Now, you will see a list of different apps installed on your device that you can share the PDF to. This could be your email app, messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger, cloud storage services, or even note-taking apps. Scroll through and find the app that fits your needs. Once you tap on the app you want to use, you'll be prompted to choose the contact or recipient within that app. Select the person or group you want to send the file to, then confirm or send as usual. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've successfully shared your PDF from Dropbox to another app on your mobile device. This updated method is straightforward and keeps your files accessible wherever you need them. Thanks for watching.